Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for beginners on PC. We'll start by understanding Notion's core purpose as an all-in-one workspace. It's designed to help you organize everything from simple notes to complex projects, acting as your digital brain. You can combine documents, wikis, and task lists seamlessly. We'll immediately dive into creating your first page and exploring the fundamental building blocks that make Notion so powerful and adaptable for any need. Notion's foundation lies in its blocks and pages. Think of blocks as individual content units, a paragraph of text, an image, a to-do list, or even an embedded file. Pages are where you assemble these blocks, creating a flexible canvas for your ideas. A key feature is the ability to nest pages infinitely, allowing you to build a highly organized, multi-layered system for all your information, from broad categories to specific details. Databases are a cornerstone of Notion's power, allowing you to structure and manage information dynamically. You can add properties like dates, tags, and checkboxes to each entry, then view your data in various formats such as tables, Kanban boards, or calendars. To jumpstart your productivity, Notion offers a vast library of templates for everything from personal planners to team wikis, providing a solid framework you can customize in minutes. Notion excels as a collaborative tool, making it easy to share your work. You can invite guests or team members to specific pages, setting precise access levels like full editing, commenting, or read-only. For broader audiences, you can publish any page to the web with a single click, transforming it into a simple website or a public document. This flexibility makes Notion ideal for both individual organization and team-wide projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.